So for my son's 11th birthday, I wanted to get him something that would definitely keep him engaged and kind of get him away from screens. And this helicopter is so cool. It's definitely keeping my attention. It didn't take long before he was confidently flying it around our living room. I love how steady it can stay in the air, so even as a beginner, he can keep it controlled and in the air without running into a bunch of stuff. It's a fun way for him to build coordination and focus. The best part is it is tough enough to handle all the inevitable bumps and crashes because, let me just say, we have definitely done that, especially me. It comes with this remote control. It takes 4 AA batteries that you put in the back here. Real easy. It has a lot of controls that you kind of have to figure out. But the main thing is when you first take this out and each time you go to use it, you're going to have to pair the helicopter with the remote. And so the only way to pair it, is to push the remote button up and then back down again on this left trigger. You're going to hear the beep when it pairs. Now you have an on and off button just right here. Then you would pair it with this one. This button also controls your up and down levels. This button controls your forward and your backwards, but also when you rotate it around, it controls which way the helicopter turns. You've got trigger buttons, 4 trigger buttons. The back 2 trigger buttons control the trim. I haven't actually had to mess with that too much yet, but if you need to change the trim, that's how you would do it. This left top trigger button is the button that you press for taking off and landing. This one actually speeds up the controls. It doesn't necessarily make it go faster, but it definitely makes it more responsive and more sensitive. So whenever you want it to turn, it turns. It doesn't just, gingerly turn. So on the side of the helicopter right here on the right side, it has an on and off button for the helicopter. And then on the opposite side, the left side, you have this adapter plug here. That is how you charge the helicopter. If you're interested in getting one of these helicopters, I'm going to put the link for that down in the description below. And if you're interested in these rechargeable batteries by Anyloop, I'm going to link them as well.